Alright guys, we are back today and different style video. So we are in the Escape right now, which you have yet to see, but we are buying a new car today and we're going to do a little bit of a restoring type series, something like that with this car. So I guess it was really nice that the previous owner that I'm buying this car from offered to drive it back to my house, so he's just following me, and there he is back there. And yeah, we'll just clip to the next one. And you know, we're trying this on the phone here, so I don't know where exactly the angle's going to be at, because I'm looking at the screen and I can see my eyes over there. But well, we're going to make something, we're going to put it together, so hope you guys enjoy. So this is what we got here, guys. This is a 07 Focus, and if you all know the channel kind of got popular on my Focuses, so why not get another one? That really wasn't the point of it here, but it was just a marketplace deal. I was looking for anything that was cool on marketplace. Knowing that the market's just so crazy right now, there is not a good used car out there. So this popped up and it was only up for 15 minutes and I jumped on it. So we're gonna move it over here, guys, and we're gonna do some detailing on it right away. Let's do a quick walk around of it. As you can see, pretty cool. It's in the nice liquid gray. Probably my favorite color on these. So again, this is the 1.5 gen. 07 was the last year for this gen. And the wheels there, the tires are in good shape, but we're gonna get some new tires and wheels for it later on today, or some new wheels anyways. So so that's what we needed. That needed to happen right away. So let's see, 120 on it, and this is gonna go away at some point. But yeah, there's got an aftermarket radio. Probably just put the stock one back in. The speakers sound terrible with these radios. So typical Focus, it needs motor mounts, but it's a typical Focus, so it runs really good. And I say that just because these things can run with half a cylinder and they still run good. So yeah, guys, we'll pop the hood and we'll get started on the detail here. Got 2 keys. It's a one family car. Well, there it is. It's all 2-liter glory. So, all right, guys, we'll be back to the details here. So we moved it in the garage. Now we are gonna get ready to buff it out now. That wash actually went quite well, but what I could tell when I washed it, the paint was insanely dry, super dry. Like you can just see the swirling going on in it. But as you'd expect, something like this is probably not going to get buffed all that much, but we are going to do our best to bring it back. I think it's going to turn out awesome. As you can see right here, it's going to be a little before shot with the lighting right there. I'm sure you'll be able to see a great difference right away. But yeah, there's the lighting right there. And just a little bit of rust. We'll give it a quick little look over now that it's dried off. There's a little bit of rust that the seller touched up. These all do this right in the same spot every single time. So nothing I'm going to go too crazy with. And there's just a little bit of rust down here. Someone tried to blend some sort of paint, but like I said, not too worried about it. See these wheels and tires. Little stained. I found a nice set that'll look a lot better on this one, and I think it's gonna really set it apart. all said and done. Like even after the first initial wash, the paint looks great. So I'll probably go ahead and take some Windex to these windows first. Check out the windows, run a finger across it right there, check this out. So yeah, that's pretty bad, but yeah, we'll wipe that out and take care of that, and I'll go from there. And then what we are using right now for the first step is going to be this Griot's Garage Complete Compound with the 6-inch foam buffer. This buffer has been used a few times, so it's going to be dramatically different after this video. So we're going to go ahead and get started here. I'm going to sit you up in the corner and start buffing. Alright guys, so right there, just check it out. I mean, I think you can already see right there, that is just so much better. Like the haze is gone. See, it's still pretty good, but you can see the swirl marks and such in it. But even after the first pass, look at that. It's amazing. Just amazing what a little bit of buffing can do, guys. Don't be afraid to do anything like this. This is super simple and super satisfying once you get it down. So we're gonna set you back up and we're gonna finish this whatever we can in the next half hour before we have to go get the wheels for it. And typical stuff here. We're trying to get these freaking wheels right now, and we are in bumper-to-bumper traffic. It is impossible to do anything where I live Monday through Friday at any given time. So yeah, there's always traffic, but we are going to get these wheels one way or another. So hopefully not too much longer here, but just a little bit more of this, and we will be there. So we just got back with some new wheels for this, and I will show you. Right now we got some SVT wheels for it. Really good shaped wheels, and so we're getting these ones off right now, and they were on super tight. But we're gonna go ahead real fast and we're gonna shoot the calipers black just to freshen them up a bit. But looking back here, the brakes are pretty much brand new, so that's a great sign, and everything else looks, you know, on par for, you know, an 07. So we're gonna go ahead and throw these on, get them painted, and check it out. Woo-wee! I like the look. Check that out. Come on. Looks so much better. Painted calipers, some upgraded 17-inch wheels. Sadly, one of the wheels has a really bad shred in the tire, so we'll have to get some new tires immediately. But checking it out, though, I mean, they came out not bad. I mean, for 200 bucks, that really improved the look. So we're gonna put some air in these and see if they even hold. But yeah, there it is, guys. That's just a quick once around on the car. I have to even buff the other side yet, and I still have to put a top coat of wax on it. So I'll probably just make this one video, but just a quick little restoration video on this thing, just how fast you can really turn a car into something way better in a day, just by some little fluff and buff. So guys, we are back next day. This is the car. I finished it up. It was pretty dark, so it was really kind of hard to see it all said and done. So the light's on here, and you see what it's all about. So honestly, it came out so good, as any car really would if you do this kind of stuff, but you can see just straight up reflection. So and within that, I didn't show it in the video, but I actually took the tire back off. I had some old mud flaps laying around, so I put some mud flaps up here, just to make it look a little bit different and keep the rock chips from peeling this fender anymore. And Obviously with the SVT wheels that are a little bit wider, that will actually function. So it's a little bit of a rally-ish type look. So again, here's the finished product with the wax and the compound. So we're gonna go do a junkyard run and get some parts for it. So probably spend about 50 bucks in parts. And we guys will put the other wheel on as well, that caliper, and again with the mud flaps right there. And we couldn't put that one on just because you see it's a little bit shredded. So yeah, that's not holding there anytime soon. But look at these wheels. I mean, they are such great shape for 20-year-old wheels. They look amazing. No pitting at all. Very minor curb rash. So honestly, I just caught these wheels at the right time. But and there it is, finished product. So there's a few things I want to get for it at the junkyard. That's going to be a different video on its own, but let's go over. We're going to get a radio for it, perhaps a seat. I noticed the seat right here. The foam fell off the bracket in there, so there's a metal bar. You kind of lean right into that when you drive. So we may get a new driver's seat if we can find like a good example of one. If not, I have some other backup plans. So that's really it. Maybe one of these up here. That does rattle a bit, but other than that, we're gonna try to find a new grill. If not, we're just gonna pop a logo off and glue it on there. Probably do that, just save some money. But if not, we're gonna find out what we need to do to get this grill off. Probably some 8 mils. So with that, guys, this is gonna wrap this quick video up of Focus. We're gonna be back with some other, probably clips, maybe junkyard trips, and then we're gonna put it together. So one way or another, these are all gonna come together. So guys, as usual, thank you for watching, and we'll talk to y'all later.